Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manually update your games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam app on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in and the main Steam interface loads up, you'll need to navigate to where all your games are stored. In the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and click on Library. This is where Steam keeps track of all the games you own and have installed on your system. Now that you're in your library, take a look at the left panel. Here you'll see a list of all your games displayed vertically. Scroll through this list and click on the specific game you want to update. Once you select it, the main window will display detailed information about that game, including whether any updates are available. Now, here's something important to note. Although my game is updated, I'm going to walk you through what you would see if an update was available. When you click on a game that needs updating, Steam will automatically detect if there's a newer version available. Instead of seeing the usual play button in the center of the screen, you'll see a button that says Update. This update button is Steam's way of letting you know that your game isn't running the latest version and needs to be patched. All you need to do is click on the update button to begin the download process. Steam will immediately start downloading the necessary files to bring your game up to date. The download progress will be displayed right there on the screen, showing you the download speed and estimated time remaining. During this time, you might need to wait a bit depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed. Once the download completes, Steam will automatically install the update and your game will be ready to play with all the latest features, bug fixes, and improvements. And there you have it. You've now learned how to manually check for and install game updates on Steam, ensuring you're always playing with the most current version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.